welcome back to my channel. In today's video is gonna be our winter morning routine. So anyways, hope you're having a bubbly day or a bubbly night, and without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so before I start the video, I would like to say a few stuff, some YouTubers and some other stuff. Okay, first of all, everyone's like saying that Flores Stoker's copying Lovely better, like Flores copying better. Yeah, it's true. Because right now they're making like the same videos and stuff, like yeah. When Destiny was having a job or something, Christian is supposed to go to a Halloween party and stuff. Yeah. It's been like copying each other. I don't know. I don't want to put myself in any drama or anything, but I'm just saying that, yeah, yeah, it's not gonna copy anyone because it's not good. It's even if you want to copy someone's vids or something, you should give credit because it's not good. It makes people scream or look like it's your video, or when it's not. Okay. Secondly, there's a girl called Mika. She's a stalker in YouTube because a lot of people be posting videos, post about her, and people should stay safe. You guys should stay safe because she's stalking Emily. It's Emily that is Jamie Breezy. Yeah. Look, it's not good to stalk people, Mika, if you're watching this video, because it's creepy and weird. It's very weird. She says she's a witch. I don't know. What would a witch be doing on YouTube? I don't know. If she's trying to kill someone or something, but I don't know. I don't know. I just saying that people should stay safe. You guys should stay safe and don't wander around. Don't go to YouTube if you don't want to know or see or bad YouTube vids. It's not good because that's where bad people like comment or something. Don't go to bad YouTube vids. If you're in Avatar world, just stay in Avatar and other vids you love. Don't go to vids that you don't know because you don't know. Anyone could hack. Don't talk to people you don't know in YouTube because anyone could hack your channel or something, and it could be a problem. So just stay safe, guys. I'm just saying. Okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna put on my shoes, slippers, and I'm gonna go do. I'm just gonna go take my bath or shower because it's morning. Gotta just go to work and stuff and other stuff. I have to do a lot of work, like a lot. So yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna put some of these. Okay. I've done it. I'm gonna brush my teeth now. Okay. Okay, now I'm done brushing. I'm just gonna okay. Now I'm gonna like clean my face with a wall of some water because yeah. Okay. So now I'm done with that. I am gonna take a shower in the shower. Yeah. I'm not gonna sit in the bathtub because that's mostly for the kids and stuff and for the baby. Today is so boring. There's literally nothing to do. Uh, I don't know why, but it looks like I really want to go to school today because, like, there's nothing to do at home, and I just feel like I should go to school. That place is a prison, but today it looks like something that I should go to school because now home looks like a prison. Like, what are we even doing? Nothing. Just sitting down in your rooms doing nothing, and it's so boring because mom and dad doesn't want to play anywhere else, and I don't like playing with my siblings. My tablet is dead. I don't want to touch my laptop, and everything is boring. What are you doing here? I should be asking you the same question. What are you doing in my room? Nothing. I just came to see what you were doing. What are you doing? Um, I'm not doing nothing, okay? I'm doing nothing. I'm doing nothing. No, can you please get out? Okay, okay, you don't have to be too rude about it. Of course I will. Whatever, I'm gonna make this. Vroom, vroom. Oh, this is so fun. I love playing with my toy cars all the time. Unlike some people who are always bored. Okay, so guys, we're gonna be going to um yeah, we're gonna be going somewhere. I think. So we're gonna be going somewhere, and yeah, I think it's a surprise. I don't know. Um, my cousin is a surprise. So yeah, and we are ready and we are dressed to go. And yeah, Laura, don't you think we should like just skip today or cancel it because I hear a snowstorm's coming soon? And yeah. Oh please. The news says a lot of stuff that are not happening, so we should be like there before the snowstorm, if it is even true. Are you sure? Because the last time you said that, really rained, and by that time it was already too late. That was just when. That wasn't just when. Okay, fine, but let's just not say that. I mean, because I know there's not gonna be any snowstorm coming soon. So yeah, okay, just you have to believe me. Okay, I believe you, but don't blame me if we got caught up in a snowstorm. Yeah, whatever. Let's just talk. What are you even saying? It's not gonna happen. It's never ever gonna happen. It's gonna happen sooner or later. Why would mom and dad even? No, it's not gonna happen. You are so hysterical. You don't even know the meaning of hysterical. Why are you? Look, let's just keep it excited. Never ever. Yeah, never. Now look, mom's calling us. Yeah, we call somewhere. Bro, what does she want now? We're going somewhere? Yes, this is the best. Oh my gosh, I haven't even changed yet. Kids, calm down. Oh no, why are you still in your pajamas? Mom, I told you not to call me that. Call me Kelly. I hate when people call me Daytona. It's such a stupid name. Honey, Daytona is a very special name. And anyways, why are you in your pajamas? Because I wanna. Pajamas are so comfy and clothes are so ugly. I'm going, Mom. She's she's just a kid. She doesn't know what she's saying, right? Anyways, I'm gonna go now. Oh my gosh, Daddy, what is that? Buckle up, everyone. I told you, Laura. I'm sorry, I didn't know it was gonna snowstorm. I just thought, Mom,